Welcome to Paid Family and Medical Leave. This video will show you how to create an account with Secure Access Washington, also known as SAW. You will need a Secure Access Washington account to access Paid Family and Medical Leave. Let's get started. You can create a SAW account by visiting PaidLeave.wa.gov. From the menu bar at the top of the page, select Individuals and Families. Then select Apply Now. Scroll down and click Apply Online. Under Worker Login, select Click to Log In. You will now be directed to secureaccess.wa.gov. Before you sign up, you can check to see if you have an existing account. SAW is used by other Washington state agencies, and you may already have an account. To create a new account, enter your name, email address, username, and password. Other security questions may be added in the future. Click Submit. An authorization link will be sent to the email you provided. Check your email and click the link. Your SAW account is now activated. Be sure to remember the email, username, and password you used to create your account. SAW recognizes accounts by username, not email, so one email may have multiple accounts attached to it. You can now log into SAW by entering your username and password. Click Submit. Select the red Add a New Service button. Select I would like to browse a list of services. Paid Family and Medical Leave is a program that is operated by the Employment Security Department. Locate the Employment Security Department and click it. Then click Apply, located to the right of Paid Family and Medical Leave. Click OK to continue. You will then see Paid Family and Medical Leave on your SAW dashboard. Click the link to access Paid Family and Medical Leave. You have successfully set up your SAW account. To learn how to file an application for Paid Family and Medical Leave, see the Applying for Benefits video at PaidLeave.wa.gov/technical-support. Thank you.